Tell me Obama's last name. Tell me now. Real title. Gohan tries to cut the Xbox Series X in half. When the hood accepts you as one of their own. When she feels gangster. Cause you let her wear your clothes. Villain, you can't defeat me. Vegeta, I know. But he can. Goku, you just an imposter. Goku Black. Me looking back at the ATM afterwards to make sure that MF go back to the home screen. Damn it, Virus. Why won't you die? Because Prince dying is gay. Frieza. Broly, look, it's such a tragedy. He was killed by Australia Energy Blast. Don't say it. Goku never beat Vegeta. Vegeta beat Goku twice. Come on! I will turn my boo into a convertible. Let's go. Me and the homie, when the school thought says only one of all can smash. I don't want to fight you, Sal. I wouldn't wanna fight me neither. Kid hitting me with okay boomer, me hitting him with my car. Kid, I have to dress up as a god for school. Dad, say no more. Newton invents gravity in 1687. Literally everyone in 1686. POV, you are a preschooler and you and your bully have the same favorite dinosaur. It's all fun and games until Goku leaves the chat and Kakarot enters. Barber, what you want, Gohan? Well, I really like my wife's old haircut. Barber, I got you, fam. It's time you start acting like a man. But I'm only 4. So what? I'm only 8. Who are you? I'm Goku. I'm insane. From Earth. Vegeta. He means sane. Are you 18? Because I want you inside of me. Goku. I'm going to call you Mini-Me. Gohan. Defeated a main villain. Doesn't take over 20 episodes to do it. Dad will be proud of me. Damn, my boy looks like Broly. Wait. Broly, how high are you? Higher than your power level. Vegeta. Who is on earth wants to kill me at 3 in the morning? Kakarot. Think you know everything? Think again.
Piccolo, where did you get this cloth? Your wife. OMG, Dad, you're back. I missed you. Goku. My parents are arguing whether I become a doctor or engineer. Me, who already decided to be a Super Saiyan. Goku, I'm pregnant. Bye bye, Chichi. Piccolo. Someone says Dragon Ball is only for kids. I'm pregnant. Oh, jeez. I'm going to get Piccolo. God damn it, I don't want to babysit another child again.
Frieza. I don't want to fight you, Broly. I wouldn't want to fight me neither. Gohan gives Senzubin to Jiren. Earth is in danger. Universe is in danger. Bulma is in danger. Japan knows how to sell French fries. Girls, am I fat? OMG, no, you're so beautiful. Boys, bro, am I fat? Bro, I know 5 fat people, and you're 4 of them. Online girls friend group, online boys friend group. You promised me to marry me, but I thought a bride was something to eat. It is. How DBZ villains be after they get whooped by Goku? We were bad, but now we are good. I want to speak your manager so I can tell them what an amazing employee you are. Vegeta's only W in the series. Goku, Vegeta, starting point. The truth. Vegeta fanboys are clearly delusional. Vegeta was begging for someone to notice his feet in this scene. Okay, son, it's time I introduce you to anime. My son, you talking about those weird Chinese cartoons? No, thank you. Me. I have a army. I have a army. We have a Kakarot. If I may, Gohan, I suggest you buy a new swimsuit. What do you mean? There is a hole in your trunks. When she says you are like a brother to her. Kame. No trunks. Gohan, your muscles have disappeared, just like you do in my life. Piccolo, I'll always be there for you, Gohan. Fun fact Goku has never beaten Vegeta. Who is this game? Please send them me. Is he speaking the language of gods? You need to tolerate people more. Spend 2 minutes with people? Well, I tried. Genocide time. Alone overthinking. How did people think before languages? At first, I was like, but then I was like, every time. Hey Vegeta, here's a deal for you. You let me spend a night alone with Bulma, and I make you as strong as Goku. Vegeta, done. Give me my dignity. Alright, Vegeta, wait. Hey Android 18, can you come please? Vegeta, damn you all. What do you think you are doing, Vegeta? I'm gonna destroy this planet. Me, when there are so many guests at home. Now state your wish. Dragon Ball Daima. Goo Goo Gas. Basically, Dragon Ball Daima in the nutshell. Pathetic. Baba. Flop. Android 18, do you think I will look better with hair? You looks like a joke then. Man. I mean, he goes from nice to meet you, sir, to your daughter calls me daddy. Me at 2 am reading 453 comments of the two strangers arguing on social media. Kamehame on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Every DBZ fan, Super has bad animation. Me. Her, I mean you funny when you get asked to find Yamcha's power level. Goku and Korin, then and now. Lolan, new Android update. I'm the only Android in your life. When your friend is flirting with his crush and she's into it and flirting back, he's speaking the language of gods. Dragon Ball GT versus Dragon Ball Daima. Confusion versus fear. Dragon Ball Z, babies. Time to play. Disney Junior. Gohan, help. We can't access our powers like this. Oh, I remember to how to fix that. Hey, wait a second. Come on. I said I was sorry, Gohan. One man's garbage is another man person's good. Garbage. He's speaking the language of gods. How to talk a short person? No. Yes. That look when someone is trying to roast you and you about to end their whole life in one sentence. When you're stabbed at starting getting bold and acting like your real dad. When you let someone use your phone and they start scrolling through your gallery. When Naruto got his first Beyblade. My brother, my mom, me. When you realize you were wrong, but you're already too deep into the argument. I am oopsie doopsie and oopsie doopsie whoopsie. He's speaking the language of gods. That time Yajirobe ate Piccolo's older brother. I beat Majin Buu. Fix or it didn't happen. Why do you think they call me One Punch Man? Think, Goku. Think. Why can't I find a guy like this? Vegeta, hey. No, I'm literally the guy in the pic. Who will eat him first? Vegeta? Goku? Beerus. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. My name is Goku, but call me daddy. Friend, what's your favorite anime? Me. SpongeBob Z. Friend, that doesn't exist. That doesn't exist. SpongeBob Z. Hey yo, can I copy your homework? Just change it a bit so it's not obviously cheating. Future Trunks is so savage, he probably stole Android 70's car after he killed him. Killing a god prank. Gone wrong. What you order online, what you receive at home. Vegeta, oh shit. Vegeta, oh shit. WTF. Happened to you, bro. Teacher, five senses are smell, hear, feel, taste, and see. Me, I can hear pictures. Teacher, you can't hear pictures. Silly me. Dinosaurs once made fun of Jiren. Once. Goku cannot defeat Superman. Stop being retarded. Interviewer, what's your greatest strength and weakness? Jiren, yes. Interviewer, you are hired. Mission Impossible? John Wick. Dragon Ball. What the hell? When you are thirsty for the next episode. I love you. I love you too. More than Dragon Ball? Know your limits. Goku trying to convince Vegeta to fuse apes together strong. Ah, cauliflower. Ah, he's so soft and squishy. Can I keep him? Beerus. Girl, are you nuts? That's the king of all. Put him down. Zenon, shut up, motherfather. When you start losing the argument in the Xbox Live party. Ni Jiren, SSB Goku, Jiren, UI Goku. It can't be. His energy is now powerful than a god of destruction. Vegito, Super Saiyan 4, huh? I gotta admit that form of yours wet my pants a bit. Hush, Goten. Mom and dad are talking. Topo, destruction, Jiren full power, Vegeta, evolution. Woman loses 10 years of memory after she pooped with excessive force. There is a universe where lives a mortal even a god of destruction can't defeat. Beerus relaxing on Earth. Suddenly, Goku and Vegeta starts to fight a new villain. Super Saiyan, Super Saiyajin. And your girl's bra won't cooperate with you. It's as stubborn as Vegeta. Single, married, divorced. Who needs April Fools when your whole life is a joke? I asked for the strongest coffee they had. Goku or Vegeta? Gogeta. I'm getting this one pregnant. It's impossible to bring back the dead. Naruto, Goku. Barber, what you want? I need to defeat Frieza. Barber, say no more. How it feels like walking out of the gym. Their initial thought after having a child. Neglect. Energy drink to make you really feel like a Super Saiyan 3. Shut up and take my Zenny. We can beat anyone. You mean you can beat me? Dad, I'm fighting next. Alright, good luck. And please don't give my opponent a Senzu Bean again. No promises, Gohan. Good warning, except the person who did this. Original, made in China. DBS, Gohan. Boo Saga, Gohan. Cell Saga, Gohan. When she says she only dates bad boys. Vegeta's childhood, Goku's childhood. When you realize DBZ invented the dab. But what does that taste like? TN versus Snorlax. Yamcha dies.